Hey guys, Amtrak and Scale, and I'm back with another video. Surprise, surprise, I know. But if it's not obvious, I have an engine right here, and we're just gonna crack right into it. I'll be right back once I've gotten this cardboard out. Alright, so this is much easier to do one-handed. So what we've gotten here is 184, it's the Proto 3 version, and you might be thinking to yourself, if you know my channel, you might be thinking to yourself, well, why did you buy a Proto 3 184? I thought you had a custom painted version, and that's correct, I did, but I sold that to a very happy person. I'm not sure where it is now, but I know whoever has it is enjoying it, so I decided, I need one of these. I was talking to Brent, I forget his last name. His first name is Brandon. Anyway, great guy. He goes by a YouTube handle P42 Amtrak 83. He's an awesome guy. I was talking to him, and I kind of cracked after he got his custom painted 822 cracked and ordered one of these. So, thank you, Brandon. I cracked. So, yeah, let's pull this out. Okay. Alright, much better. So, it looks great from what I can see already. This is the tough part. You know what, I'm gonna cut it here again because this is the tough part. So, first impressions. Honestly, I feel like Christine Braden, who painted my custom painted original version, did a better job. I think the lettering was crisper, and the numbering was a little bit crisper, but overall, it's a great engine, and now I have something that has sound in it and motors, and that's a big thing for me. That definitely like increases the appeal. So it makes more sense for me to have this than a dummy. Though I'll probably be getting some more dummies in the future, and not sure what I'm gonna do with them. I might make Phase 5 engines out of them. Who knows? But this definitely makes more sense to have than a dummy, and I really, really like it. Very impressed with it so far. I gotta get an engine running video up. Man, really is good looking. You can see it's got the 184, the really nice lettering. Very happy with it. The only thing I wish, I don't think it's this way on the real thing, but if it is, it'd be cool. If these stripes were like actually textured, that'd be kind of cool. But yeah, and it's got the red tail lights as it should. I know y'all can shoot me for that terrible angle there, but I'm trying to do this as fast as I can, and it's not coming out pretty, obviously. But yeah, this is definitely a really nice addition to the collection. I'm very happy with it, and I hope to get a running video up as soon as I can. So look out for that. Alright, welcome to my super janky setup. I looked at my schedule for the week, and it doesn't look like I'm going to have any time to do a proper running session without bothering my family, so probably best to not bother them. So this is probably the best I can do for now. So anyway, let's fire it up. This is normal. Good sign. Oh shit, I have the polarity backwards, don't I? I do. Oh well. I hate that horn, honestly, but I'll be able to fix that. Oh, fuck. I don't know what I even did. Polarity's all backwards.
Now arriving from Chicago on track 2, train number 370, the Bear Marquette.
Interesting choice. I'll get that changed.
Be careful on the step. Have a nice day. Thank you. May I take your baggage? Ticketed passengers only. Let me help you.
Yeah, this is
Now
gonna work
departing from Grand Rapids on track 2, train number 370, the Bear Marquette.
Pardon me. Hurry up now.
Now, if you guys have been following my channel, you would know that I have a couple other P-42s. I have a 42 Veterans engine, and I have a gutted 204 that used to be a powered unit, but that's one of the three, like, rare, like, Phase 5 units. If you guys know your MTH, Amtrak stuff, then you would know that. I have one of those, and then I have custom-painted Lionel cabbage and a matching veteran scheme. Especially because I live on the West Coast, so it makes sense for me to model that. In fact, I'm like 30 minutes from the surf line, so... yeah, and then I have a Dash 8, if I didn't mention that already. So...
All aboard.
I have a lot of engines. I'm really trying to work on my cars and get
Are
rolling
you ready to
stuff.
go? Yep, we have drinking water and toilets to service. We are ready to move. Ready to pull out.
Woo! That was way too fast. Oh, I turned off the speed control. That's what I did. Aha. Well, there's a little blooper for you guys. But anyway, I guess, yeah, that should wrap it up for me. Because I really don't have a whole lot of time to do train stuff anymore. I wish I did, but anyway, if you kind of enjoyed my crappy videos as usual, please drop a like and consider subscribing if you liked it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, whenever that is.